Hi everyone. Today we're using this can of tomatoes to make some tomato mac and cheese. We're going to start by boiling the tomatoes, getting them cooked nice and thoroughly. And now I'm adding some salt to 4 quarts of boiling water and my pasta. This is 16 ounces of macaroni, and I boiled it according to the box instructions of 9 to 11 minutes. Now I'm adding some condensed cream of cheddar soup, or I guess it's just cheddar cheese soup. And I'm adding the tomatoes to that mixture. Now I'm just adding a splash of milk, maybe a 1/4 cup, not a lot, and stirring everything together. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Here I'm adding 8 ounces of Colby cheese to the mix. I grated this cheese with a little grater that I got off of Amazon. I usually get my Colby cheese from Kroger. They sell it in the block form, about 8 ounces. Now I'm adding about 4 ounces of cheddar cheese. This is sharp cheddar, and I'll continue to stir it a bit. Next, we're going to add pepper jack cheese. So spread about half of your mixture in a dish. This is a 9 by 13 that I've sprayed with nonstick cooking spray. And I sliced my pepper jack cheese into 4s, and I'm adding a layer of the cheese. I will say that was probably an unnecessary step. You could probably just keep your slices whole and put half the pack on this layer. All right, I'm adding the remainder of the mixture to the next layer and spreading it out gently, and then once again adding in our pepper jack. The very last thing we're going to do is add another 8 ounces of shredded Colby to the top. And here's the finished product. I baked it for about 25 minutes at 350 degrees. All right, it's time to give it a taste. Y'all, I grew up on macaroni and cheese with tomatoes. My dad loved it growing up. And my mom basically makes hers with just cheddar and pepper jack. And so the Colby and condensed soup is something I adapted from another recipe on my channel recently. And I really like how it all comes together. I hope you try this. It's a twist, but I think you're going to like it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Take care.